Fondation Felicite, maybe I should also say for once, or Fondation Marie-Claire Heureuse Félicité Bonheur Dessalines, which has a little name, Fondation Felicite, has as its fifth symbol the Earth, the planet Earth. So we can remember we are the owners of our planet. We are responsible for our planet. We are responsible to take actions to make sure every life form on our planet lives with education, health, and justice. What does that mean? We're responsible for the rivers, that the rivers are clean and that they flow properly and that they do what they're supposed to do to nourish the earth and ultimately go feed the ocean. We are responsible for the plants. We're responsible for the air, for the fire, for the soil, and for the water of our planet. If we take ourselves seriously and we truly understand our identity, meaning who we are, then we would know we are the ones who are responsible to make sure that justice prevails all over our planet. We are in the wrong when we allow anyone to impose injustice, wickedness, violence, genocides over our planet. We, the original caretakers of our planet, must have the right attitude, develop the proper power level so we can make sure that every living form on our planet has education, health, and justice. We thank you.